I can't find masks anywhere. They're not on Amazon. I can't order them from Target. When I walk to Walgreens or Safeway or any store around here, there is no hand sanitizer and there are no masks. And that's a problem. I think that it was mandated on the 3rd that we have to wear masks now. Luckily for me, I follow Loni Love, I think that's her name, from The Real. I love that show. She posted a woman, excuse me, that created a mask without using any stitching. She didn't have to sew, and I thought it was pretty cool. So let me show you how to do that. So let me adjust the camera angle. So you go like this. So here's my scarf that I got. This is actually a dog scarf that I got from Wish, and I never used it, so it's clean. The cloth that the woman used in her video that Loni Love posted, she actually had a square cloth, which can work too, but this is already in a triangle. So what you do is you fold it over to the size that you want your mask to be. So I want it to cover my nose and my mouth, so I'm gonna make it about this size. And there's lipstick on this because I used this morning. I'm eventually gonna stitch this because I don't want to keep folding this every day, but you don't have to stitch it if you don't want. So you go like that, so it's all folded, see? Then you take elastic bands. These are for the hair. You could use rubber bands as well, but this is more comfortable because it has cloth over it. And then you put it over this, like so. Super simple. And then you go like this. Now, the woman in the video did some kind of tucking situation. I can't figure out how she did that, so I just folded it over. So I went like this. I guess you could do this. So maybe this is what she did. Oh yeah, maybe this is what she did. Okay, so now I have it like this. So I brought this side over and under this elastic, and then you tuck the tail into the little pocket that you have on the other side. So you could probably stitch this here. So stitch that. But again, you don't have to. You could just kind of do this every day. It doesn't take that long once you get the hang of it. Then this one goes over here. Okay, there's no more pocket though, so I guess this one kind of just like hangs loose. Okay, so now you have this thing, and I'll show you. Let me raise this up. Okay. Whoa! Oh. And there you go. It's really cute. Flamingo. Flamingo na. Oh. Alright. Okay. Try it. Thanks.